everybody, welcome back to Angie's Pantry. Happy 4th of July. Wow, what a beautiful day, eh? Alright, so this video is about Tupperware and Tupperware's fantastic sales. Now for 4th of July, they are having two special sales going on, and I'll put both of those images in the video following my intro for you. If you want to place an order, you can go to the link below and there will be, say, where to place Tupperware order or something similar to that. And it's at angie'spantry.my.tupperware.com. You can click on that and you'll be able to see where my phone number is. If you need help, let me know. I will be more than happy to help put your order in. It will be directly shipped to your home, and you don't have to have parties anymore to place an order. All right, everybody. Let's get busy seeing what's on sale. They're awesome. All right, I told you they were awesome deals, didn't I? All right, again, contact me at angie'spantry.my.tupperware.com, and you can reach my phone number there and I can put your order in, or you can put your own order in if you choose. It will be directly shipped to your home. If you have warranties and want me to get them put in for you, again, it's better to place an order so that you don't have to pay the shipping on it, because warranties are for free, but you do have to pay the shipping and handling. So if you know you're going to be putting an order in and you've got a warranty, call me, and then that way there I can find the warranty number. Now if it's a lid that needs replaced, you flip over the lid, and at the very bottom there's a little bitty numbers there. I'm going to need those numbers. On the bottom of your Tupperware, same thing. There's a little item numbers there that I will need to help replace your order or your warranty. All right, everyone. Big hugs from my pantry to yours, and have a wonderful 4th of July. Bye.